Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and in version 2.8 there's something like a auto locking option. Okay, so I show you an example. So here I draw a tube, and so let's draw a few other tubes. Oh, tube 2, 3. So and now I draw across the other tubes. So this one, okay, small problem, but they they snap on the other tubes. So yeah, like this. Okay, but I want to avoid the snapping on the other tubes. So here, first add a group node and select the group node and then press lock. And you see now the tube is locked, but you can select it. So now the tube is selected. Okay, and so so I hide everything for the tube, the curves, and here you can watch what happens in the hierarchy. So I draw a new tube and like this, and they get automatically locked, so they don't snap on each other. So they snap only on the sphere, and so it's possible to create such hair strands without snapping to each other. Okay, and that's it. So yeah, it's a useful thing, I think, and you can create such crazy curves with a tube here. And yeah, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.